Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. So I received this box from Thompson and Morgan and I thought I'd show you what's in it. It's a brand new plant. So let's just get this out. And it is Philadelphia Petit Pink Perfume. And I've been waiting since last year to get this. So it's originally bred, well actually the breeding was done by Alan Postel, who I used to deal with at Hilliers, great breeder, and he did the breeding for Petit. And they in turn have then made the plants available for Thompson and Morgan. So let's have a little look. So it's a deciduous plant, deciduous Philadelphus, but unlike a lot, it only gets to about 4 foot in height, so 1.2 metres, similar sort of spread. Has masses of pink flowers though, so first Philadelphus to have pink flowers, and it is highly fragrant, or the flowers are highly fragrant. So looking a little bit anemic, but that's because it's been in a box for a few days. But that is a lovely plant with a few roots to the base of it. So the next thing will be to pot that up and get that going and get some flowers for next year. So I've come out into the greenhouse, just going to pot this up. So there you can see all with its label there and its plant passport and whatnot. And all I'm going to do is going to pot it into a 1 litre pot, going from this 9 centimetre square. So you can see there's a sizable difference between the two. And that's just going to allow the plant to establish a little bit, put some roots down over winter. So all I'm going to do, put a little bit of compost to the base of the pot. Put your fingers either side of the stem. It's just going to ensure that the root ball stays intact and not going to cause too much damage. There, that's how good the root zone is, looking good. And then lower it into the pot. You can see that's how it's positioned. And then the compost is a little bit on the dry side, but that's fine. It'll go in nice and easy. We'll just do around the side, making sure that the plant is kept upright and central to the pot. That way the roots are going to establish nice and evenly around that pot and into that fresh compost. Important to give compost a firm down into those voids, making sure that we don't leave any air pockets. Light firm down to finish, and I always leave a bit of a gap to the top. That's going to allow for a water reservoir to allow me to get some water in the top without washing all the compost off. So that is the last thing to do is, well actually it's not, take the label off, pop the label onto there so don't forget what it is, not that I would do, not on this plant. Give it water and pop it outside. Okay, that's it, watered. Put a secondary label in and there it goes. It can stay happily on the patio to get established for planting next year.